So I went out with my buddy Eric to fly my 3.5 at the park, and I brought this just in case, but it just so happened that I forgot my 3.5, so I had to fly this thing. So this is a 75 millimeter HDZ Punk, so HD0. Learn more about all this stuff in my Tiny Whoop masterclass that's about to come. So make sure you subscribe for that. I still don't like whoops, but this one's pretty fun. Just, you see when it flies, such a little tiny thing, but you feel the weight being dragged around, unless you're flying analog. You just compare it to a 3.5, and 3.5 is so much more superior. Fun thing with this is, you're never gonna hurt anyone. People aren't intimidated by it. In fact, they wave at it from the balcony.
So stupid.